Hello, my name is Jonathan Courtney and I'm the Director of Community for Giving What We Can. Giving What We Can is an organization which aims to identify and direct funds towards the most effective charities combating global poverty. In the next few weeks, I'll be releasing videos on each of our recommended charities. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Against Malaria Foundation. As you probably guessed from the name, the Against Malaria Foundation targets, well, malaria. Malaria is a life-threatening disease transmitted by mosquitoes. It kills roughly 580,000 people a year, primarily children living in Africa. The Against Malaria Foundation was founded in 2005 and aims to distribute long-lasting insecticide-treated bed nets that help to prevent the spread of malaria. These nets hang over people's beds to protect them at night. When mosquitoes infected with malaria land on these nets, the nets kill them with the insecticide, and this prevents other people from being infected by the same mosquito. So the nets not only prevent people from getting malaria, it also reduces the number of malaria-carrying mosquitoes in that region. There's an extremely strong body of evidence that shows that long-lasting insecticide-treated bed nets are one of the most effective ways of combating malaria. Charity evaluators like GiveWell and research institutions like the Poverty Action Lab and the World Health Organization's Choice Initiative have all identified that insecticide-treated bed nets are one of the best buys in public health. AMF is a standout charity because it provides this incredible initiative for extremely little money in a manner that's extremely efficient and transparent. It only costs $3 US to buy a bed net that can cover up to 2 people while they sleep. 100% of donors' money go to buying nets. So if you or I give $3 to AMF, that will buy a net that can protect 2 people. AMF partners with local organizations and governments to distribute the nets. When you buy a net with AMF, you can actually track exactly where it goes to the precise rollout in the precise country and even the precise village. AMF provides independent supervisors in order to ensure that the bed nets don't go missing and end up where they need to go. And they continue to monitor malaria rates, carrying out post-distribution surveys every 6 months. And depending on the outcome of these surveys, AMF provides additional nets and education in order to ensure that malaria rates go down and stay down. It publishes all this information openly online so that anyone can look in and scrutinize how well their actions are doing. Even when you include the cost of the distribution and the surveys, it only costs about $5 US to put a net out there and to make sure it's being used properly. And these bed nets are so effective that for every $2,300 donated, a death from malaria is prevented. For comparison's sake, the UK is willing to spend about $30,000 on just 1 year of healthy life. So by donating less than $2,500 to the Against Malaria Foundation, you or I or anyone can save a life. That's a really incredible result, and I hope it's one that motivates all of us to give a little bit more. Links to donate to the Against Malaria Foundation are in the video description below. If you want to know more about Giving What We Can, our recommended charities, or our research methods, please check out the links below. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found it really interesting, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.